The role of information mapping for the enterprise architect applying the TOGAF Architecture Development Method, ADM, is similar to other business architecture artifacts. Let's look at phases A to E from the ADM now. In phase A, the architect would search for existing information maps, as well as relationships between information and other artifacts, such as business capability maps. In phase B, information maps would become a lot more detailed. Architects would add information concepts and their relationships and link them to other business architecture artifacts as necessary for the enterprise architecture project. In phases C and D, information would be translated wherever possible into data models. In phase E, architects may need to go back and update the business architecture, which would also mean updating the information map. A good technique for developing an initial information map is to create a tabular version of common information concepts and linkages between them. The architect can start using this basic reference and then work with business and corporate leaders to extract and modify the information concepts that apply. Add definitions that make the most sense in context, such as business glossary. Build out areas such as products or customers using a common taxonomy to guide decisions. Provide a reference for mapping business capability gaps and the key information needed to solve those gaps. And act as the starting point for cross-mapping to stakeholders.